Hello and welcome to another Enzo Demo Bite. Today we're going to be talking about the all-new Guidebooks V2 that we've just launched. Super excited to be sharing this with you guys. If this is not available in your account, do know this is feature flagged, so just let one of your account managers or CSM reps know and we'll turn it on for you. Now, you may have noticed in the past we had these different templates in the subsection here. These were structured in a way that made sense for some of you, but others gave feedback that there's all this content I have to edit. It's a big editor where I can't really drag and drop things. So I'm going to show you the new guidebook editors. When I create from scratch, one of the cool things that we can do is we can now add different sections to this guidebook. So instead of it just being one big plain text, you can now add a header, you can now add a text, you can add an image, and the way you structure the guidebook will show in these different boxes, just allowing you to mix match things way better. Now, if you already have guidebooks in place, I would recommend redoing them this way. It'll just make everything look nicer. Images, videos, but even buttons. If you want to redirect people towards a different link and go somewhere with that, you can do that directly from here. So this is the all-new guidebook editor. I am super pumped about this update because this has been one of the more tedious side of things to set up when it comes to guest experience platforms. So just being able to make it easier with different sections, Google Places, images, videos, buttons, but also using AI to pre-fill all of that content is going to make not just onboarding faster, but your day-to-day lives with guidebooks and guest experience. So thank you so much for listening to another Enzo Demo Bite, and we'll see you on the next one.